be a mean, mean prize. Though his mind is not for him, don't put him down as arrogant. His reserve a quiet defense, writing out the day's events. No river. What do you say about his company is what you say about society. Catch the mist, catch the myth, catch the mystery, catch the drift. The world is love and life are deep. Maybe as the skies are wide. Today's Tom Sawyer, he gets high on you.